Juniors, and welcome to this week's Big Colour Challenge. So we're going to have a simple egg and spoon race. Well, nearly a simple one, okay? So we can adapt this race in lots of different ways. We'll have all done it before, no doubt, at school or at fun, maybe you're in a swimming pool. I do it quite a lot in a swimming pool. All right, think of who you've got taking part in the family. Maybe adapt it a little bit. So I seem to have the baby spoon. Who's got the daddy spoon? Yeah, okay, Rowan's got the daddy spoon. Now, Rowan, are you going to run it? Isabel, do you think you can do fast feet? And I'm going to hop. Okay?
Yeah, I'm getting
Right, let's see how this goes, Judy, shall we? Right, start line. So there we go here for me. Are we ready then? Eggs on spoons?
Yeah.
Oh, bad start. Bad start. Okay, eggs on spoons. Are we ready? And go. Oh, oh, fail, quick. I think they've already won, don't you?
Yeah.
All right. Shall we try that one more time? Right, we'll go from the finish line to the start line this time.
Okay.
Right, Rowan, come here, speak.
I dropped my when I can I run normally?
Are you ready? There you go. Alright, let's go for a straight running race this time.
Bad luck.
Now we're using plastic or breakable eggs, but obviously you can use a hardboard egg or a tennis ball or golf ball, anything you've got lying around really. Little bounce on a spoon. I think you've probably all got those at home. Are we ready? Go! Aha! Aha! You see, tactics. There are tactics in every race. I went slow and I still got my egg.
I'm quite a man as well.
Right, Juniors, so we're going to have a look at another version of this game. So we're just going to reset. We're going to have a look at a wet version. It's going to be nice and hot this weekend. Okay, so game 2. Now we have a bucket of water at the finish line. We've got 3 bowls or buckets on the start line, and each of us has a cup. Again, it's been adjusted to ability and age range within the family. I think I've been slightly handicapped. I'm not sure the volume works in my mind with maths, but anyway, we'll see how the game goes, okay? So we're going to start now, and you'll see a quick fast forward replay of how this is going to work. Are we ready, team?
Mm-hmm.
1 cup at a time. The aim is to fill your bowl. Once it's full, that person wins. So again, same tactics apply. Fast might not be always the best way. Are we ready?
Because then you'll start on.
Oh, bowl malfunction. Put the bowl back. Try not to kick your transition. Always a good idea in triathlon. Don't kick things out of your transition. Right, are we ready?
Yeah.
Go.